Hey everybody, it's Coach Jen Lee here with a Spark and Hustle update. I have just put the final touches on the Extreme Planning Guide. That's right, everyone's gonna get an Extreme Planning Guide on day one, and Tori and I are gonna walk you through step by step, kind of like a mini business plan. Everything that you want to do and need to know how to do for the next 12 months. We're gonna walk you through that on day one, as well as the keynote speakers and the pitch it session. And here's a little secret. Those of you who want to turn in your business plan, your Extreme Planning Guide, on Monday night to Tori and I, we will provide you feedback and honest input and guidance on where you are in your business and where we think you might want to consider, so that you are totally prepared for day two when we bring in all of the entrepreneurs and the panelists and all the great stuff that's about sales and marketing. So Spark and Hustle is just getting better and better by the day, and I cannot wait to see you on the tour. Make sure you go register at sparkandhustle.com. See you out there.